Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Aklecha, currently pursuing Integrated MTech in Information Technology from IIPSDE Indore. This video has been created as a part of my SID subject assignment. In this video, I am going to discuss about my project report. I have taken open source software which is a school management system. First, I would like to thank my internal guide, Mr. Saligram Prajapat sir, for his valuable guidance and support. I thank him for his valuable suggestion towards this open source project, which helped me in making this project. This is the description of the open source system which I have taken. The project aims to develop a platform which solve real problems encountered by educators every day. It will manage functionality that is commonly required in schools of different kinds. It collects student information, helping teachers to understand, contact, find, and help their students. The project aims to build the system they need to provide effective learning, teaching, and school management. So I am going to cover all these points in this video. In the introduction part, we will see problem definition, aim of the project, objectives, project goal, benefits, and current system and proposed system, limitation of current system, objective of proposed system, feasibility study, analysis, project planning. In the design part, we will see ER diagram, data flow diagram, use case diagram, and all. So problem definition. So these all points describe the problem domain. First is non-integration of all records of the school. All the information in the system is maintained on the paper. This is the result in wastage of time and energy. School absence report for emergency evacuation is complex. Due to manual system, fees collection is not done timely and gives fees receipt takes time. There is no student identification code. In case of leaving school, updation of records become complex. Assign homework and collect student work offline takes time. The aim of the project's aim to provide a system that help in providing effective learning, teaching, and school management so as to make the task of management more efficient, speed, and effective. Objective of this system are integration of all records of school, generate school absence report, computerization of present paper system, student identification generated, manage fees, billing schedules, and invoices, capture details of both internal and external assessment taken by student, tracking of student, assign homework online, and collect student work. The project goal to build a system which solve a real problem encountered by educators every day to store student and faculty's information, helping teachers to understand, contact, find, and help their student to solve problem common to all schools, reduce complexity of handling data, provide an electronic version for management system. So system will be more cost effective as compared to non-electric versions. So benefits of this open source project is it is easy maintenance of information. We can easily maintain all the information of schools which is required. No dependency. System generates each student allotted a student ID. It will save time and effort. Computerization systems save time and effort. It will track students' development process. Current system. So the current system is currently used in all schools is completely manual in nature. Information about all students and faculties is maintained separately in registers. So it will take more time on paperwork. So limitation of current system. Current system has large number of limitations like lot of information is duplicated into the register which proves as a waste of valuable time and effort. Since the system is manual, there is a scope of error due to carelessness and no manipulation. No backup of records are maintained. Searching for particular student record is difficult. No use of identification code. Manual system is not consistent in nature. No recovery of data is possible by any means if it get lost. So the proposed system is completely automated system which manages all things. System helps to retrieve the information as quickly as possible. System provide backup plans to avoid data loss that is of high priority. System provide an error-free environment. System is reliable enough to perform in adverse condition. System will also keep track of information for this fee section, whether the fees is paid by student or not. System provides search facilities to find a specific entry from the database. Objective of the proposed system to reduce data duplication. System ensure consistency. System is reusable and extensible. System is a foolproof system that simulates and replaces the present manual system. Feasibility study. So feasibility study examine how beneficial is the project economically, technically and non-technically. So if we talk about economic feasibility, the economic analysis of the project count for the cost effectiveness of the project. So this project fits in the proposed budget. The project satisfy the economic constraint. The existing hardware meets the budget proposed. Technical feasibility, easy to use, security, binary compatibility, reliability, portability, reusability. Analysis. So many analyses are done before making this software, this open source software. So questionnaire done to know problem encountered by the student and faculty. The facilities provided in their daily routines, action taken or handled if he makes any complaint. Statistical analysis done on the basis of questionnaire to know many drawbacks of present system came into light. Fields to be included like parents' complaint were encountered, response time on any complaint registered, interview of school principal taken to know present system functionalities were completely understood, steps of action taken when a student or faculty make any complaint, action taken by principal against a student. Here principal came into light, information regarding the project was taken. Project planning. The project planning is to design a mechanism which can act as a platform for user to efficiently and easily design timetable. Development plan. So design and implementation of this project has been carried out in completely step-by-step manner, like questionnaire, survey, design documents, software requirement specification, coding, testing, project report. This is the ER diagram for school management system. This is the data flow diagram of student information system. This is the use case diagram. Here is the link from where I have taken a code of this open source software, and these all are references. Thank you.